Hey everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the steps to fix the photo swipe issue on both iOS and Android devices. So, let's dive right in. First things first. Open your TikTok application. Once you're in, tap on the little plus button to open your camera and select a few photos from your gallery. I've got 3 photos here, and you can see the swipe animation working perfectly. However, if you don't have this feature or it's not functioning correctly, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Head back to your TikTok profile. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the TikTok settings, scroll all the way down until you find the Free Up Space option. Let's open that up. In the Free Up Space section, you'll see options to clear both the cache and downloads. It's possible that accumulated cache files are causing issues. Clear both of these. Clearing the cache ensures that any old or corrupted data is removed, potentially resolving the problem you're facing. Once done, exit TikTok. Now, head over to your device settings. If you're on an iPhone, go to the General section, and then iPhone Storage. Locate TikTok on the list. Tap on TikTok, and you'll find an option to offload app. This will clear unnecessary data associated with the app. After offloading, click on Reinstall. After a few seconds, you'll have a fresh installation of TikTok that's up to date. When you open the app again, you should see the photo swipe feature working seamlessly. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.